Hello and welcome to ATI 4448 Project Management and Senior Design 1. This course and the Senior Design 2 are capstone courses that will assist you in tying the different course material that you had from other classes over the past couple of years and provide you the chance to apply that knowledge to develop a new product that is not in the market yet. You will go through the process of designing, developing, planning, executing, and delivering a product with uncertainty and risk surrounding the outcome over a 2 semesters period. Basically, you are having the real life experience. When you go to the workforce, you will see these kind of problems. How can you solve it? You are using your engineering skills, problem solving skills to be able to create a new product. And by the end of the 2 semesters, you will be um, able actually to solve such problems even when you go to the real life job. You will select a team to work with, so you need to do that as fast as possible. You have until September the 10th to select your team member. After that, you will be dropped from the class or you will be given a zero. So be careful. I want you to work on selecting your team as soon as possible. To know the process, go to the project lecture and look at the other information for project guidelines. You will have for this, you will have my assistant and my assistants, you will have an advisor, you will have other resources that will be available on campus to produce a prototype for your product. I'm always in my office during office hours, so you can come and ask me. You can Skype with me or you can call me to keep in touch with me and talk about your product or your project and be successful by the end of the 2 semesters period. My name is Professor Yusuf. I will be your instructor for this course. So please feel free to contact me via email or face to face or through virtual office hours or phone number. Please take the time to view, read, and understand all of the provided material. I have lots of announcements, lots of documentation that I provided for you to assist you in this process. So if you have any questions, you will find an answer. 99% of your questions are addressed in the syllabus. If not, then you will see other documents that will be uploaded that will address your concerns. If you need any help with the add and drop process during this week, then you need to visit daytonastate.edu/help. My office hours are posted under the announcements tab through the online learning system, and it's also listed in the syllabus. For easy access to the course material, I created for you a link within the welcome announcement. So when you click announcements or in the first page, you will see announcements. You have statement that will say click here to start. When you click on that one, it will take you to the syllabus and to the course modules. For the course, I collected the material needed to provide you with all the information that you need. We have 4 different references, other material that I used to just cover the course material or the material that you need in this course. If you are interested in any of these books, you can either check the library, the Daytona State College Library, or the public library for these books. The course is online, so all course material will be available for you through the online learning system. The only face-to-face interaction that you need to do is to present at the end of the semester your prototype. So that's the only interaction, and to assist students that are online or not in the state or out of the country. They can do Skype or they can use the phone to present their product. So you have, although you are online, you have other options to present your product by the end of the semester. Your homepage will display the different courses where you can click on your course, which is the Senior Design 1, and then access the course information. I suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar. If you are not, if this is the first time you use this learning system, then I will suggest that you navigate through the different tabs to get yourself familiar with that. In addition, I would suggest that you log in at least once every 48 hours, preferred once every day, to stay current with the course requirements and changes. Usually, if I receive any inquiries from a student or something is not showing, then I will either release an announcement or I will make a change online. If I did not send an email, maybe sometimes I will send an email to inform you of that change, but sometimes I will not. If not, then you can check on the requirements on a daily basis. That will be the best option. In addition, you will have a calendar on the main page on the right hand side, and that will include all the dates or the due dates for the time for the assignments, the activities, the course activities, exams, and other related material. Again, to view the course material, navigate through the different tabs on the course homepage under Falcon Online. All course material, including assignments, discussions, quizzes, presentations, lectures, and supplemental material have been posted under the course content tab through different modules. To make it easy for you, it's all in one place. All what you need to do is to go to the course content and you should be able to access all these material. The modules will be released on a weekly basis as the semester progresses, and that's just for your convenience, so you'll not be confused. Every week I will release a module. You need to access your online courses on a daily basis and check if there are any updates or due dates. And like I said, you will see the due dates on the right hand side. Don't forget to finish your icebreaker as soon as possible, which will be due by the end of this week, and you will be graded out of 10 points. If you did not finish that in time, that could lead to a 0 or even purging from the class. The students that will not finish the icebreaker will be purged from the class. All students are required to complete a weekly discussion form which should be posted by Sunday of each week. So don't wait actually until Sunday. Make every attempt to post your initial response by the middle of the module of the week, and try to respond to another post from your classmate before that. So give yourself a chance to post and somebody will reply to you, and then you will reply to other people. I made it extended until Sunday, so people who will be working during the week will have the chance Friday, Saturday, and Sunday to be able to post and reply to other students. So you'll have a chance to do that during the weekend. There is no need for a Word document for that. There is no need for any file submission. Just post under the discussion and reply to other students. If you miss the submission period, your grade will be 0. There is no makeup for that submission, or there is no need for email or anything else. You missed it, it's 0. All communication should be through online channels such as email, discussion, Skype, virtual office hours are posted, so you can use Skype to do that. With Skype, you can actually share your documents, share your screen, and ask questions as needed. Email messages should be written in a professional words. Chat or text language will not be accepted. So LOL will not be accepted in an email. I expect to have professional language in there. Students are encouraged to communicate through face-to-face or phone channels during office hours. I will be more than glad to have you in my office and assist you as much as I can. The more communication with me, the better understanding for the requirements, course requirements, and what you need to submit to the course. Assignment submission should be through Falcon Online or the learning system. Don't email me any assignments unless you're being asked to do so. Late assignments will not be accepted. Use a certain format. This is the format that I need you to use, which is the assignment number, the course number, and the last name. So assignment number underscore course number underscore last name. If you don't follow that format, points will be subtracted from your submission. The submission should be in Microsoft Word format, but although PDF is allowed, but not preferred. There will be 2 exams through the whole semester, midterm and a final. Both exams will have true, false, and multiple choice questions. The final will include all chapters within the course material. You will not be able to start your final until you finish your peer evaluation first. So you have to evaluate your team members, and once you do that, you will be able to unlock the final and start the final. And the reason for that, I want everybody to participate in the team assignments, in the project assignments. The group project will be given through the whole semester as group assignments. Those group assignments should be submitted over the progress of the course. So you will have due dates for these assignments. You have 3 assignments that you need to work with the team to submit them. So each one of the team members should work. That's why we have the peer evaluation that will assist in knowing who worked on those assignments. So I want everybody to participate in project assignments and project submission. Now, since I mentioned that, I would love to say that the regular assignments should not be shared. So if you have individual assignment, that should not be shared with other students. You have to distinguish between the regular assignments and the project assignments. Regular assignments, you do it individually and you submit individually. The project assignments, you do it with collaboration, but everyone in the team should submit their own copy of the group assignment. The group assignments should be in Microsoft Word format, and again, PDF will be accepted but not preferred. And the same as assignments, the group assignment naming format should be the assignment number. So project assignment 1, underscore the course number, and underscore your last name. And again, points will be deducted or subtracted from improper naming format. The project report should be submitted with the proper grammar and spelling and the professional writing. If you need any help, the Writing Center is available on the main campus and at the ATC campus. We have a person that will take care of you to make the proper and professional writing for the report. So if you need help, you can even communicate with them virtually. They have, I think, hours that they are available on campus, and they can assist you in the writing process. For grading, we have certain percentages for the assignments, discussions, the project. And as you can see, the weekly participation discussion is 5%, and the peer evaluation is 5%. So this 10% is for to make sure that you participate with the course material and you work with your team to complete assignments and to complete the project. um, those 10 points, 10% will affect your grade and can move you one or two letter grades. So make sure to work hard, work with the team, and participate in the course to get your grade. Um, the senior design 1 is one of the capstones classes that we have the sequence of two. So we have senior design 1 now, senior design 2 next semester. You will take it with the same group, same team. You will move on. So when you select a team, be careful, because those people will be your team for this semester and the next semester. Uh, all engineering skills and knowledge learned in other courses will be implemented in this course. In addition, you will learn how to utilize and manage your skills to produce a new product. If you need any new skills you can learn, you can just go online, you can practice, do whatever you need just to add another skill for this product. So that will assist you in pushing you to learn something new or new skills. To implement the concepts of project management in an engineering project, we are going to use different tools, different functions, and different techniques, different methodologies. Um, you will also learn how to work with your team and maybe also work as a leader for your team. The different topics that will be covered will start with the product design and development. So you start with a product and you will use that as a project. So you will initiate your project, you will plan to do it, you will um, create the schedule, the time, the cost, the budget that you need to do. You will create a plan for quality, for the resources needed to accomplish each task, if there are any risks associated with it, how to communicate any information to the client, to the management, to the team members, all that through communication management. Then you will monitor the progress of your project and deliver at the end and close the project. This will be over 2 semesters. The closing will be next semester. Monitoring will be over the 2 semesters. You will use lots of these during the next semester, but the planning, the initiation and planning and design and development will start this semester. We'll do time and cost, initial time and cost this semester. For the next one, you will finalize once you know the activities and the actual cost that will be associated with each activity. You will finalize that to start producing your product. To assist you in that, we use software, different software packages that will be available for you for free. So you can just email Michelle Belfort. She's located at the ATC campus, second floor, room 207. You can either call her or email her, give her your name, information, and she will add you to a link where you can download the software and utilize it. Don't leave it until the last minute. Just try to download it as soon as possible, install it in your machine, and start learning how to use it. I will give you examples once we reach to that point. I will show you how to do it, but if you can play with it and get familiar, that will be great. But this is a software that will be provided by the college. This is part of the resources that will be provided for free, and you can utilize it to initiate, plan, and execute your project. That will be all for this session. If you have any questions, please let me know. And again, there are lots of announcements that I posted there View the announcements, and if you have any questions or concerns about that, just let me know. If you have any questions, use the available channels for communication, and I will be more than glad to help. Thank you and have a great day.